Hey, what's up, you guys? So, it is nearly midnight, and I was in my kitchen doing it. It's like literally a hurricane thunderstorm right now. Just seems like it. And definitely it's not a hurricane, but a severe thunderstorm. We got no fucking electricity. We're using bottles as reflectors just to light up the entire kitchen. Ghetto, but it works, kinda. I have a candle light over there. I have another candle around here, but I'm not sure. Done this so far. Working on getting reflective tape on the wheel rims. No electricity, can't play any video games, can't charge my phone. So I'll definitely make a post video when we get electricity back. Yeah, I know there's still shit hanging down here. Oh well, I managed to get it running again. That's all I care about. This is ceilings, and I use more tape as a big ceiling, so I don't need those. They could just hang for all I care. As long as it gets me a point A, point B, that's all I really give a shit about. But yeah, look at this thing. Highly reflective. But some of my yellow tape's starting to wear out. So that's what I'm going to need to do is replace it. So yeah, Speed Devil 2193 here. I'll see you guys.